Oh, hey friends! So here it is. I am struggling as a YouTuber right now, and I'm sure you are too because you chose to click on this video. The good news is, I know what's causing it, I know why I feel that way, and I know how to get over it. And the better news is, I'm going to share it with you in this video. But the best part is at the very end of the video because, I need to make sure you watch till the end so that I get all my ads to play and get my ad revenue. Alright, to make this extremely easy for us, I will break this down into 3 points and I'll put some sort of animation probably here to distract you and make you pay attention. The very first point is not feeling in control. Have you ever experienced a situation where you create a video with the same content, the same thumbnail, and the same title as your competitor, but you end up getting way more views than your competitor? Of course not, because that never happens, because you are the one who gets little to no views. This sort of experience is very demoralizing for any content creator, because when that happens, it makes you think, why on earth does my competitor deserve those views but I don't? At the same time, it makes you feel confused and frustrated because you have put in a great amount of effort and time into making the video that will totally blow your viewer's mind, but it flopped. And when you can't control something, you feel helpless and angry. It's like me telling my daughter she can't play with her toys today, but my son can, and I do that without giving her any reason whatsoever. But she has to comply because I am her father and my words are final and she can't go against me. So my daughter is just going to get really angry because she doesn't feel justified and she has no control over the situation. That's one of the biggest problems most content creators have, not knowing why the algorithm chooses my competitors over me. There's no answer to that, and that's why it is a struggle. The second point is, we don't know why. We don't know why it's not about us being clueless. What I mean by that is, we don't know why we are creating content. The most common answer any content creator gives is they are creating content for fun or as a hobby. However, what's the thing content creators do every single day? They check how many views and subscribers they have, right? So that's kind of contradicting. If it is for fun or a hobby, your focus will be on the content creation process and not the numbers. And this goes back to my original reason why content creators are struggling. They simply aren't crystal clear about their objective and goal of why they're doing this in the first place. The third point is comparison trap. You know what's the one thing content creators like to say? Oh, Mr. Beast is doing everything right. He's the top dog right now. If I want to be successful like him, I just need to emulate the exact same thing he's doing. So what's the problem here? Well, you're not Mr. Beast. The comparison trap here is we tend to forget the content we create is what we want the content to be and not emulating someone else's. When we emulate, we tend to copy the same thing and that makes it less us. I mean, sure, you can learn a few tips and tricks from Mr. Beast about video editing or thumbnails or content style, but there are a lot of things you can't copy either. For instance, Mr. Beast videos are catered more towards kids or maybe someone who is really bored. So are your target audience the same as his? You can compare, but if you're comparing the wrong things, then you risk removing the authenticity in you. And authenticity is not just a buzzword, it is real and it is what I use to get extremely good and engaging subscribers. It's true, I am very proud of the audience I built, and if one of my videos go viral, I have no doubt my subscribers are going to shoot right up to the moon. So those are my 3 points on why we struggle as a content creator. But wait, I'm not done yet. I want you and I to live on a good note. I don't want you to hear just the negative side of things. It makes me sound really whiny, like those people who just go against everything you say without providing any solutions. So I want to give you my solutions. It is something I am implementing myself right now, and it can get rather lengthy, but I will break this down into 3 points as well. Because 3 negative points must also come with 3 positive points. Whatever, I'm just very OCD. Alright, for this section, let's lighten up the mood a bit with some music, shall we? The first thing we can do is reaffirm our vision and goal. Ask yourself this question and answer honestly. Have you actually forgotten why you started your journey as a content creator? I certainly remember mine. The whole point of starting my YouTube channel is because I want to build a business out of it. It starts as a side hustle and then slowly I'll evolve it over time and turn it into my new revenue stream. I had everything mapped out and my niche was around teaching the younger generation financial education, giving them inspirations, and sharing valuable life experiences with them so that they too can enrich their life. But what's my YouTube channel mainly about today? Growing your freaking YouTube channel. I'm not going to say this is totally bad. It did get me to where I am today, which is still amazing. but I am having a lot of trouble hitting my vision and goal. And that's made me question myself a lot of times on why am I still on this journey. My point here is what you're creating right now might have deviated from your goal because you were chasing trends. So now it is time to take the leap and go back to what you originally intended to do. The deeper you deviate, the more difficult it will be. So you have to know where you're heading, even if it means sacrificing some growth. Alright, the second point. Role model. Instead of comparing yourself to others, see it as looking for a role model, and the best way to do this is to look up which content creators inspired you in the first place. Is Mr. Beast my role model? Certainly not. His content doesn't appeal to me. My role models are Ali Abdaal, Rory Ohama, Alex Becker, and TechLead. Why? Well, take a look yourself. This is Ali Abdaal's channel. He talks mainly about productivity, but occasionally he will slide in a video or two that is unrelated to productivity. This is Rory Ohama's channel. She does productivity as well, but has vlogs too. This is Alex Becker's channel. He started off with some mindset stuff, then crypto, then now business. And this is TechLead's channel. Obviously started off with tech-related topics, then slowly to investments and crypto and lifestyle. So for me, I don't want to mimic any of them, but I need to understand why they inspired me to start this journey. If you look at 4 of their channels, each of them have a few things in common. They are talking head videos, they share their life experiences and opinions openly, and most importantly, their videos are about things that interest them, even if that means creating videos that are unrelated to their niche. But the most crucial elements to me is they built themselves up as a brand. I am watching their videos not because of the topic they cover, but because I'm interested to know what they think of so and so. Best of all, these role models of mine have proven to me that what they're doing works. This is completely different from, say, Film Booth, whom you watch because you want to learn about growing a YouTube channel. If Film Booth were to talk about crypto or his life experiences, you wouldn't be interested at all. So here's my question. Do you want to be known as an expert, or do you want to be the expert? My final point is viral content. Viral content is not a good thing because most of the time when you do go viral, it is always around a trendy topic. I realize I've been talking way too much in my previous point, so I'll give you an example to quickly show you why going viral is not good. This is Chris Barros. From what I understand, his channel went viral because of these videos here where it is sort of related to YouTube automation. But you would think that after going viral, he'll get a lot of views from here on as well, right? That's not the case. In fact, his latest videos, which doesn't cover YouTube automation, doesn't really get that many views, especially videos where he shares his life experiences. So he went viral because of YouTube automation, and his channel gained over 10,000 subscribers. Good for him. But what's now? Does that mean he has to continue to create YouTube automation videos from now on? How many times can he do that? The point here is going viral is good only if the video you create is related to your vision and goal. If you accidentally go viral because you created a trendy video, this is going to come back and bite you. I know it is thrilling to go viral even if the topic isn't related to your channel, but you'll end up struggling when you need to follow up that viral topic and you're going to run out of ideas fast. Basically, don't aim for the numbers, but aim for the impact you can give to your audience. Harder said than done, which is why I myself will kick this off on my own channel by creating videos I find valuable and not creating for the sake of subscribers and views. So watch me. Okay, that's all from me. Thumbs up, subscribe, alright? Thanks for your time and I'll see you soon.